It's not your fault. Everyone told you Claude Code is a tool for programmers. They're wrong. And that mistake is costing you about 10 hours a week. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what Claude Code actually is in plain English, why it's built for business owners more than coders, and then I'm going to build a real automation with it, live, that takes one annoying task off your plate for good. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be technical. If you can describe a problem in a sentence, you can do this. And if you keep doing that task by hand while your competitors don't, that's the part that actually costs you. Quick bit of context so you know why to trust me on this. My name is Josh Boucher. I run Blackfish AI. I spend all day building these systems for real businesses. Invoicing, client onboarding, the boring stuff that eats up your week. And the tool I reach for the most isn't ChatGPT. It's Claude Code. Here's the thing nobody explains. The name is terrible for you. Claude Code sounds like it was made for software developers, but what it really is an AI you can put to work inside your actual business. It's not an AI you chat with, it's an AI that does things. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it is, you'll watch me build something real with it, and you'll know how to find your first automation. Let's get into it. So let's clear this up. What is Claude Code in plain English? You already know what a chatbot is. You type a question and it types an answer. Handy, but it's just talk. You still have to go do the thing on your own. Claude Code is different in a big way. It can take actions. It can open your files, it can read a spreadsheet, write a document, send a draft, organize a folder, build a little tool, and then actually run the tool. A little chatbot tells you how to do something. Claude Code does it while you watch. Think of it like the difference between a consultant and an employee. A consultant gives you a report, and an employee gets the work done. Claude Code is the employee, one that works for a few cents an hour and never sleeps. And no, you're not writing code to use it. You talk to it in normal English. Read these emails and draft replies. Take this list of customers and clean it up. That's the whole interface, is plain sentences. So it's not a chatbot, not for programmers, an AI that does real work when you ask in plain English, which raises the obvious question. If it's this helpful, then why haven't you heard about it? That's because it was built for the wrong sounding audience. And that's actually great news for you. Here's why. A programmer already knows how to make a computer do stuff. For them, Claude Code is a nice shortcut. But for a business owner, this is the first time that you can make a computer do stuff without ever learning to program at all. That gap you've always had is what Claude Code closes. I know what I want automated, I just can't build it. Most small business owners spend around 80% of their week on tasks that don't grow the business. Admin, email, chasing, copy-paste. That is the trap. You're stuck working in the business instead of on it. ChatGPT helps you think. Claude Code helps you offload. It lives where your work actually lives. Your files, your documents, your data. And it takes the task off your plate instead of just advising you about it. That's the difference between saving 5 minutes and getting a whole afternoon back. So the tool that sounds the least for you is actually the one that is built to hand your time back. Now, what do you actually need to start? Less than you think. Let me show you. Real quick, if this is already clicking for you, consider subscribing. I build one of these automations every week on this channel in plain English, no coding or gatekeeping. That's the whole channel. Now, real quick, let's demystify the setup since this is where most people quit before they start. Here's the honest truth. Getting Claude Code running takes about 10 minutes, and you follow instructions the same way you'd set up any new app. You need an account, you install it once, and boom, you are in. The mental block isn't the setup. It's the belief that you'll break something. I promise you, you won't. You're not touching anything important. You're giving an assistant a workspace to work in. The worst case is you close the window and nothing happened. Setting this up as a 10-minute follow the steps job. The fear is bigger than the task. Okay, enough theory. Let me actually build something with this right now so you can see how simple this really is. Okay, so for this part, we're building this manually. If you want to get fancy, you can build a routine that listens to a webhook, so it'll do this on its own. We can do that in another video. Right now is kind of just about showing you what's possible. So in this PDF, I have got a new email from Dave. He runs an HVAC company in my area and is looking to get some stuff automated. And as you can see, all we're going to do is hit this voice button, read the customer email in this attached document, draft a friendly reply in my writing style, and ask before sending anything. And there you go. What normally would have taken me 10 minutes has now taken me about 42 seconds. And remember, I didn't write any code. I just spoke a sentence. Now, I know that doesn't look like much, but if you answer 20 customer emails a day, that's not a small win. That's 2 hours back per day, forever, from one sentence that you typed once. A plain English instruction, a safety rule, and a real task is handled. But there's one part almost everyone gets wrong when they try this themselves, and it's the difference between a cool toy and something that actually runs the business. The mistake is people build something cool and then they try to automate their entire business in a weekend. And they burn out and quit. The owners who actually win do the opposite. They automate one task at a time. One this week, a different one next week. Each one hands back a little bandwidth. And that bandwidth is what you use to build the next one. It compounds slowly, then all at once. So the most valuable thing in this video isn't the email builder. It's the next 2 minutes and how you find your first one. Here's the exercise. For the next 3 days, notice every time you do something on a computer that makes you sigh. The repetitive stuff. Copying numbers between spreadsheets, writing the same kind of email, formatting the same report, sorting the same files. Write those down. That list is your automation backlog, and every single item on it is something Claude Code can probably take off your plate. Then you pick the most annoying one and you do exactly what I just did. Describe it in a sentence, add "ask me first," and let it work. You don't need permission to be technical. You just need to describe the problem clearly. Now, before you run off and try this though, let's talk about the costs honestly, because every other video skips it. Claude Code isn't free. And if you go wild, it can burn through its usage limits faster than you'd expect. But for the kind of business tasks we're talking about, drafting emails, cleaning data, writing reports, the cost is genuinely small. We're talking pennies per task, far less than the value of the hour it gives back to you. The trick is to point it at tasks that are worth more than they cost. Don't automate a 2-second job. Automate the 10-minute one you do 20 times a day. Match the tool to tasks that actually move the needle, and the math is never close. So here's what I want you to actually do. Okay, don't just nod and close the tab. Make your assign list. This week, pick one task and build the thing. Even a bad first version. That's how every owner I know got their time back. And tell me in the comments what your first automation is going to be. If you want to go further, really lift the fog on how AI can move the needle in your business, hit the link in the description to get a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
cutting through the blazing rain. Thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call.